welcome to Leonardtown Middle School. I'm Dr. Denny, principal here, and this is...
I'm Mr. Engel-Cope. I am the 6th grade assistant principal here at Leonardtown Middle School. Hey Jaguars, it's Mr. Engel-Cope from Leonardtown Middle School. I'm the 6th grade assistant principal. We're looking forward to seeing you virtually next week, and keep it positive, Jaguars.
Hi, I'm Mr. Johnson. I'm your 6th grade counselor. Looking forward to building a relationship with you, and keep it all positive, my friends.
Hi Jaguars, I'm Mrs. Brom. I teach 6th grade English Language Arts on Team 6-1. I am really looking forward to meeting all of you next week. Just remember to keep it positive, and I will see you virtually.
Everybody, my name is Mrs. Collier, and I teach 6th grade math. I'm really looking forward to an exciting year of math. A lot of learning is going to go on. Remember to keep it positive, Jaguars, and we'll see you virtually next week.
Hey LMS, I'm Miss Whitlock. I teach 6th grade math. I'm really looking forward to this year, even though it's going to be a little different. Remember to keep it positive, Jaguars, and I'll see you virtually next week.
Hi, my name is Miss Ham. I teach 6th grade Earth Space Science here at LMS. I am looking forward to opening the world of science to you this year. Remember to stay positive. I am looking forward to meeting you virtually next week.
Hey guys, Mrs. Engel here, ELA for 6th grade, Team 6-1 in room 102. Looking forward to working with all of you and accomplishing a lot this year. In the meantime, keep it pause-tastic, Jaguars.
Greetings, this is Mr. Maxwell, Social Studies, Leonardtown Middle School. Glad to be here. Just want to let you guys know that I am going to be the World History Social Studies teacher. Bam! We're gonna have some fun, great time. Again, they're gonna be for 6th grade. 6th grade the best. Yay, welcome y'all. Little blurb about myself, just happy for you guys to be here. We're gonna have a great year. It's gonna be a great time. Hey, see you soon. And oh, by the way, remember to be positive as a Jaguar. Thank you so much.
Are we going to have a great school year? Without a doubt. Hello, Mr. LaRue, 6-2 Math. I look forward to meeting you all and having a great school year. Magic 8 Ball said we will.
I'm Mrs. Ahern, 6th grade English Language Arts. I'm looking forward to meeting each of you and getting to know you. Remember to keep it positive, Jaguars, and I look forward to seeing you virtually next week.
Hi guys, I'm Miss Latham. I teach 6th grade math. I'm looking forward to this new exciting way to teach this year. Remember to keep it politastic, Jaguars, and I'll see you virtually next week.
I'm Mrs. Sheehan. I am a 6th grade English Language Arts teacher for Team 6-2. I am looking forward to meeting all of you and learning about the authors and books that you enjoy reading. Remember, keep it positive, Jaguars, and we will see you virtually next week.
Hello, I'm Mrs. Gray. I teach 6th grade Earth Space Science. I'm really looking forward to meeting all of you and sparking your curiosity about the world you live in. Remember, Jaguars, keep it positive. I'll see you next week virtually.
Hey, Leonardtown Jaguars. I'm Mr. Lloyd. I teach Ancient Civilizations, grade 6. My team is 6'2", and I can't wait until I see you next Monday virtually. Remember, Jaguars, keep it positive. See you later.
Hi, I'm Mrs. Barosio. I teach 6th, 7th, and 8th grade art. Looking forward to seeing you. Stay positive.
Hi LMS students, this is Mrs. Munier. I am the art teacher at Leonardtown Middle School. I'm very excited to meet all of you come Monday in this crazy virtual experience. Stay positive, we'll see you on Monday.
Hello students, I am Mrs. Kovac and I teach strings here at Leonardtown Middle School. I am so excited to make music with you this school year. I will see you online next week.
Hey everyone, I'm Mr. Bowser and I teach chorus and general music for 6th, 7th, and 8th grade. I am most looking forward to meeting all of my new students and to getting to see all my returning students this year. Remember to keep it positive, Jaguars, and see you virtually next week.
Hey everybody, it's Miss Chahansky, the band director and one of the PE teachers here at LMS. I look forward to meeting you all virtually next week. And don't forget to keep it positive, Jaguars.
Brom, I'm Mr. Jarbo.
And I'm Miss Nelson, and we're in the PE department.
Be positive and exercise.
Jaguars, it's Miss Makoviak, but you can call me Miss M. I'm a special ed para, and I'll be supporting 6th and 7th grade this year. Remember to keep it positastic, and I'll...
Hi, I'm Mrs. Fidel. I teach 6th, 7th, and 8th grade in the SAIL program.
Hi, I'm Mrs. Lee. I am your paraeducator in the SAIL program.
Hello, I'm Miss Corey. I'm also a SAIL paraeducator.
Remember to keep it positive, Jaguars. See you virtually next week.
Bye.
Hey everyone, Nurse Robeson and
Nurse Powell.
We miss you. Stay safe, stay healthy. See us on Schoology next week. Check out that health site that's there. Bye.
Hi, I'm Miss Haynes, your media specialist. I will hopefully be popping into some of your ELA classes and sharing some media lessons this year, so I look forward to working with you virtually.
Hi, my name is Mrs. Hartwig and I'm the school psychologist. My job is to help students do their best at school. So I can help if you're having a bad day, if you need someone to talk to, or if you're struggling in a class. If you meet with me one-on-one, we'll do some activities to figure out how you learn best, what your strengths are, and what your teachers and parents can do to support you. I look forward to virtually seeing you all soon. Do your best and remember to keep it positive, Jack.
Leonardtown family, this is Mrs. Rayleigh, the IEP facilitator and case manager. I hope we have a great start to the school year. I look forward to seeing you virtually to start, and I hope each of you are able to keep it positive.
Hi, I'm Miss F. Hello, I'm Miss Remax.
Hello, I'm Mrs. Lee.
And we are the crew in room 613. And we are positive.
We will see you virtually
next week. Adios.
Hasta luego.